What's the meaning of clarinettist? Clarinettist. Clarinettist.
Clarinettist. Clarinettist. A clarinettist is a musician who plays the clarinet, a woodwind instrument that produces a unique sound. Clarinettists are skilled in playing various genres of music, such as classical, jazz, and popular music. They must have excellent breath control to produce different tones and pitches on the clarinet. Clarinettists can perform in orchestras, bands, or as solo musicians. Some notable clarinettists include Benny Goodman, Artie Shaw, and Sabine Meyer. Overall, a clarinettist is a highly trained and versatile musician who specializes in playing the clarinet.